So what we have here is another rainy season movie. You can see pretty yucky. And then over here, that's just an absolute mess. So alright, here's my apartment. And about 20 minutes ago the sky was nice, but you can see up here it's really moving fast. Let's see if we can zoom in. It's not actually raining yet. If we look down, I can hear it though. It's seconds away. This crap over here is coming over. But you know, it's rained every day for the past month. Apparently it's the most rain they've had in 50 years or something in the rainy season. Which is all very good because it means there's more floods. It means I get time off work. Here it comes now. You can see everyone's just scampering. Cover. Holy shit! You can't even see over there. Look if you can see that. It's pure gray. If I had a better camera, trust me on this. Visibility's down to like a kilometer, and then that bad boy over there is just look at the size of that cloud. Look at that. It's like a fucking spaceship or something. Over there. It's not actually white. I'm looking at this camera and it looks like it's making it look white. It's not. It's pure gray. It's just horrible. Some people down there. The sun has officially gone away. Holy shit. Alright, well, I'm going to go inside before the mass of the storm hits my apartment. Yeah, it's going to be really bad in a couple of minutes. And this probably will continue for hours and hours and hours. So, but like I said, more water means more flooding, which means the potential for me to have more of a vacation. And that's just a very, very good thing. So, until next time, stay dry.